This is Holme Farm in Chester. From the outside, this may look like the idyllic image of farming, with animals roaming around outside in apparent freedom. But behind closed doors, we once again are reminded of the sad reality of animal farming. Despite having limited access to the outside, the pigs who live on this farm will spend the majority of their life indoors, inside dirty, barren sheds where they'll be fattened up before slaughter. Due to overcrowding and only a chain hanging from the ceiling for enrichment, these animals are prone to boredom and fighting, leaving some animals with painful wounds. Unfortunately, due to the intense environments on these types of farms, a lot of pigs won't even make it to slaughter and will be burnt in the farm's on-site furnace. In other parts of the sheds, mother pigs were found inside cruel farrowing crates. These metal cages, designed to allow their young to suckle, do not even allow the mother to turn around, and they can move no more than standing, sitting, and lying down. With their movements so severely restricted, these mothers are also unable to tend to their young if there are problems, and as a result, often have to helplessly watch them suffer and die around her. Mother pigs are generally put inside these farrowing crates for around 24 to 35 days every 5 months, until they are around 5 years old, when they will then be sent to slaughter. The mothers in this farm were also seen to have nose rings. These rings are to control their natural rooting behaviours when they are outside. This stops them uprooting the land, and the procedure to insert these rings can be very painful and stressful.
Scared.
Holme Farm is owned by J.H. Willis & Son, who manage 3 farms and hold around 3,000 pigs and 300 beef cattle. We have reason to believe that this farm also supplies a major British supermarket chain. In a quote from their website's blog, they say, "Farmers need to strive to adopt better welfare standards in their farms. If you are unsure whether your farm is doing the right thing, just naturally assess how the animals live, where they are kept, what water and food provisions do they have, what healthcare is provided, and have you adopted humane slaughtering methods? Is there anything you can improve?" If they feel the conditions on Holme Farm are acceptable, then maybe they need to shine the light on themselves first. Maybe a farm that abandons the use of animals and allows them to live in freedom and peace would be the greatest improvement they could make. When the consumption of animal products is unnecessary for us, why do we still continue to support these industries that cause so much suffering and pain to these intelligent and gentle creatures? Please join us in ditching animal products and choosing a vegan lifestyle.